Okay, now don't be nervous. And action!
So everybody knows about the TTLA challenge, right? A woman named Tabitha from Facebook, she tasted a sandwich at Whole Foods called a TTLA, and it went viral. Well, they started up a challenge, and I'm about to do the challenge today. The TTLA stands for tempeh, tomato, lettuce, and avocado. Or maybe you'll be able to pick your TTLA up from the Whole Foods deli near you, but mine didn't have it, so I made my own. Let me show you how I made it. I used the lifelike smoky tempeh. I cooked it on my griddle for about 6 minutes. I made a garlic aioli. I used some vegan mayo, garlic powder, lemon, and parsley flakes. Whip that together and spread it on your bread. I added some avocado, some smoky tempeh, tomato, onion, and lettuce.
Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up.
Then I pressed the sandwich for a few minutes. There are big changes going on in the YouTube community right now for small channels. If you have a channel that's close to its requirements and you need that little boost, shoot me an email and I'll collaborate with one of the channels before the deadline. We're just gonna see how it tastes.
Ooh, save me some. I can't wait.
It actually tastes really good. To be honest, tempeh is not my favorite thing. The flavor of it kind of
nasty,
an acquired taste. So, but the smoked tempeh from Lifelike, it really is good. It is actually delicious. Go try it. It tastes meaty and smoky. I will really try this again. I'm going to put the link to Tabitha's Facebook page where I actually saw the challenge. Well, where I actually saw her talking about the sandwich. And you guys go check her out. Also, I've been working on a cookbook, so I haven't been on the channel that much. But I'll be back soon. Alright guys, see you next time. Go try the TTLA.